What's up, Nessa Gang? Welcome back to my channel. For new viewer, what's good? Make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe button, be a part of Nessa Gang, because Nessa Gang is the latest gang of all gangs, period. So if you saw my recent upload, I tried a new hairstyle on winter, which is what you see with the colorful band, but it turned out a complete fail. I know what to do to make them better next time, but it just wasn't cute. So she only had them in for 24 hours before I decided to take it down and try something different. This is my go-to hairstyle when I want her hair to last for a certain amount of time, especially when I know I'm about to get my nails done, because it is very hard to do her hair with long nails. I know some people can do it, but I just have not mastered it. So I'm just braiding her hair in cornrows, and I'm just gonna go halfway, and then when I'm done, I'm just gonna put them in 2 pigtails. I find that's the easiest thing, and it lasts a really long time. The product that you see me using on her hair is called Edge Booster by Style Factor. I got a small little sample bottle because I didn't know how I was gonna like it, but I really do love it, so I went to get the really big container that was $13.99. But I don't think that it is the same hold. I feel like it's a little bit more watered down. I'm not sure. If you guys use this product, let me know how you feel. But it just made my lines so much cleaner. I still do have to work on that, but I am not that patient because she moves so much. Maybe that's the reason, but I can never get my lines super duper straight. The yellow tool that you see me using to pop off her rubber bands was the first time that I ever bought and used it, and I am in love with the tool. Like, the rubber bands popped off so easily. I didn't have to pop my fingers or anything. It was just super easy, so I highly recommend buying this at your local beauty supply store if you are constantly using rubber bands. Before, I used to use a regular product like the Doc styling cream and moisturize her hair and try to braid, but her hair is pretty fine, so it always slips through my fingers. I found that using this product helps me grip the hair a lot better and just have better control. the spray bottle that I used stopped working, and I think it's because I added too much conditioner. So it clogged it, but all I have in the bottle is some leave-in conditioner and water, and I'm just gonna saturate her hair. The more water that you use, the less product that you use. So you know how products usually say a dime size or a quarter size? It's because they're assuming that you're gonna add lots of water to that. I'm not trying to take out all of the knots in her hair because I do want it to look full. Because I braided half of her hair down already, the ponytails are a little bit more thin than they usually are. So by not brushing it completely out, they're gonna get a little bit more fuller. Dead. She didn't even know that I was recording her, but she ended up stealing all the gum in my purse and eating it. I didn't even know she knew how to eat gum, but yeah, she's having a blast with it. But I actually didn't film the end product of her hair, so this is how it came out. This is actually a couple days later when I was able to pull out a little bit more baby hairs and be a little bit more creative with them. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up.